Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some beginner warm-ups and moves that will help with your stability, confidence, and overall skating skills. So let's go. So first we're going to start off with just stroking side to side and then adding a knee bend after 2 strokes. So stroke, stroke, knee bend. So I'm really concentrating that my legs are stretched, my toes are pointed, my arms are to my shoulders, and in my knee bend, I'm putting my weight a little bit over my knees. So here it's going to really help with your stability and balance, getting used to having your weight over your knees. So let's take a look at a different angle. So here you can see my legs are stretched, my arms are to my shoulders, my head is straight, my shoulders are back, and my balance is good. Next move is going to be working on the bunny hop. So we're going to do a bunny hop and then a knee bend, and then the other side bunny hop and then a knee bend. So my arms are kind of going opposite in the air. So as I'm jumping, my arm is going opposite, and then I add the knee bend, and then I do the other side. So what is important is that you go with the momentum. As you're swinging your foot forward, you jump up. Arms are to the side in the knee bend. And here's a look at a different angle. So arms going up in the air, arms are going opposite. I go up, and then I come down to that knee bend. So this next exercise really helps you with your edges, so getting some speed. And then we're gonna stand on one leg, stretching the leg back, bending the knee, and then stretching the leg forward. So as you see here, I'm getting some speed with some strokes side to side, stretching the knee. And then I'm standing on one leg, stretching the leg back, bending the knee, and then bringing it forward. So I'm really just practicing on the position for an edge, but keeping it on a straight line. And here's a different angle. So as you see, it's going back and then forward. And when I'm changing, my knee is bending. My weight is over my knees. My shoulders are back. My stomach is strong. My head is straight. And if you want, add a little toe point. So this next exercise is really going to help us with the last exercise. So all we're doing are glides backwards. So our outside leg is always going on the inside edge, and as is our other leg. And we're just looking back and up and with the arm. And as I said, if the arm is too difficult, then you can do it without the arm, just arms out to the side. So really trying to get a good knee bend here. Here's a different angle. So good knee bend, stretching the other leg, going on the inside edge with the outside leg. This is also going to help you with your back inside edges if you're having trouble standing on one leg. It's just going to give you a lot of confidence and stability. Always making sure that your body weight is over your knees, your shoulders are back, stomach is nice and strong, and head is straight. So with this next move, it's a really good exercise for your crossovers and your 3 turns. So what we're doing is gliding forward, turning, then gliding back, and then turning back forward. If you feel that this is too advanced, try not to add the arms, but if you feel really confident about it, then add the arms. So we are gliding forward, bending one knee, stretching the other, and then we're turning slowly, then gliding back, reversing it, and then turning forward again. So as I'm turning, my arms are twisting around my body, and then they twist back when I turn back. So as I said, if the arms are too hard, then do it without. But if you feel confident, try to add a nice arm as you glide. So I hope you guys liked that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.